How to use night mode on iPhone. Hello and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to take better photos at night with your iPhone, whether you are capturing city lights, dinner with friends, or a peaceful evening sky, night mode can help you take brighter, clearer photos even in low light. So here's how you do it. First thing to do is to open up the camera app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the camera app, go ahead and tap on the photo option from the bottom. Make sure you're inside photo mode. And now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and you will see a night mode button at the bottom. Simply tap on it in order to turn on the night mode auto option. If you tap on it once again, you'll be able to turn on the night mode max mode. If you choose the auto night mode option, then your iPhone will automatically decide how much light is needed and selects an exposure time. If you select the max night mode or the night mode max, this uses the longest available exposure time. It captures more light, making every dark scene brighter and more detailed. While using max night mode, you'll need to keep your iPhone extremely steady while the photo is being taken. This is best for night landscapes, city lights, stars, or other subjects that aren't moving. So if you tap on the night mode once again, then you'll be able to switch off the night mode. So that's how you can easily use the night mode in iPhone. Just select your mode. You can do it from the top of the screen as well, as you can see it at the top. Select your mode and then point the camera to the subject you want to take the photo of. And once you do that, go ahead and take a picture from the shutter icon at the bottom. So that is how you can easily use the night mode on iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.